Hey, real quick, I've got your Tuesday tip in under 2 minutes. Sales tips in 2 minutes or less. You ready for this one? Activity equals results. Keep in mind, no result is a result. Everything you do or don't do produces a result. Remember the words of your Uncle G, straight out of the 10X rule: never reduce a target, instead increase your actions. When you start rethinking your targets, making up excuses and letting yourself off the hook, you're giving up on your dreams. And that is your Tuesday tip. Activity equals results. All activity equals and produces a result. So, what are you going to do today? Activity. Take some. And at a massive level.